Before you buy anything for your home, watch this first. These are 15 Amazon organization finds that thousands of Americans wish they had discovered sooner. They're smart, space-saving, budget-friendly, and every product includes the price. Let's count down the best Amazon finds. Number 1. If you're running out of bathroom space, this slim storage cabinet is a game changer. It fits into tight spaces, gives you 4 tiers of extra storage, and keeps your bathroom neat without taking up much room. A must-have for any home. All products links are in the description below. Number 2. The Under-Sink Organizer Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer keeps your kitchen or bathroom cabinet neat and organized. Its smooth sliding design makes it easy to reach cleaning supplies and other essentials while maximizing storage space. All products links are in the description below. Number 3. The LeArex Clothes Storage Bins are perfect for organizing clothes, blankets, towels, and seasonal items. These foldable storage bins help maximize closet space, keep everything dust-free, and make your home look neat and organized. A must-have Amazon find for anyone who wants a clutter-free home. Number 4. The Seville Classics 3-Tier Shoe Rack is a must-have for keeping your entryway, mudroom, or closet neat and organized. It neatly stores multiple pairs of shoes while saving valuable floor space. Its sturdy steel frame is built for everyday use, making it perfect for sneakers, boots, sandals, and more. A simple upgrade that helps keep your home clean and clutter-free. Number 5. The OPTISH 2-Pack Coat Rack Wall Mount is an easy way to organize jackets, hats, bags, towels, and keys without taking up floor space. Its durable wall-mounted design helps keep your entryway, bedroom, bathroom, or laundry room neat and clutter-free. A budget-friendly Amazon find that's perfect for every home. Number 6. The Mop and Broom Holder Wall Mount keeps your cleaning tools neatly organized and off the floor. It securely holds mops, brooms, dusters, and other household tools, helping you save space and keep your laundry room, garage, or utility closet clean and organized. It's a simple Amazon essential that makes everyday cleaning easier. Number 7. 10-Drawer Rolling Cart with Wooden Tabletop is the ultimate storage solution for any room in your home. With 10 spacious drawers, it keeps office supplies, craft materials, beauty products, toys, or tools neatly organized. The sturdy wooden top provides extra workspace, while the smooth rolling wheels let you move it wherever you need it. It's a versatile Amazon must-have for staying organized. Number 8. The CTSNSLH 4-Tier Plastic Storage Bins with Lid make organizing your home quick and easy. These stackable bins are perfect for storing toys, clothes, pantry items, cleaning supplies, and more while keeping everything dust-free. Their foldable design saves space when not in use, making them a smart storage solution for any U.S. home. All products links are in the description below. Number 9. The DEVAISE Printer Stand with File Cabinet is the perfect storage solution for a home office. It keeps your printer, files, office supplies, and paperwork organized in one compact space. With smooth rolling wheels and spacious storage, it helps create a cleaner, more productive workspace while saving valuable floor space. Number 10. The Vertical Magazine File Holder is a simple way to organize magazines, folders, notebooks, mail, and important documents. Its space-saving vertical design keeps your desk, office, or study area neat while making everything easy to find. Perfect for creating a clean and organized workspace at home or in the office. Number 11. The Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator instantly adds extra storage to your kitchen without taking up counter space. Its strong magnetic design attaches securely to the side of your refrigerator, keeping spices, cooking oils, paper towels, and everyday essentials within easy reach. It's a smart space-saving solution for a more organized kitchen. Number 12. The Imncya 4-Pack Fridge Organizer Drawers Bins help keep your refrigerator clean, organized, and easy to navigate. These slide-out drawers create extra storage for fruits, vegetables, snacks, drinks, and other everyday essentials while maximizing fridge space. A great Amazon find for reducing clutter and keeping food within easy reach. Number 13. The DOLALIKE Microwave Oven Rack helps you maximize valuable kitchen counter space. Its expandable design creates extra storage above your microwave, making it perfect for spices, cookware, small appliances, and kitchen essentials. It's a practical Amazon must-have for keeping your kitchen neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 14. The elegant sliding tray makes it easy to access heavy kitchen appliances like coffee makers, blenders, stand mixers, and air fryers. Its smooth sliding design lets you pull appliances forward effortlessly without lifting or scratching your countertops. A smart Amazon home essential that adds convenience while keeping your kitchen organized. All products links are in the description below. Number 15. The Thickened Clear Shoe Storage Organizer keeps your shoes protected, organized, and easy to find. Its clear, stackable design maximizes closet space while giving your home a clean, clutter-free look. If you found these Amazon finds helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next must-have home organization find.